Hey guys, it's Nina here. Today I have some Morena beauties. We'll talk about how they keep their skin looking healthy and glowing at the same time. You have to meet these girls. Showing you a quick and easy glowing makeup look. I'm gonna start with this Becca Shimmering Perfector in Moonstone. So you can already see the difference. It already made my face dewy, which is what we want. And then for the foundation, I'm just using a very light foundation. I'm just gonna cover the places that needs coverage. I'm using this new foundation brush by MAC. I'm really loving this. So for the concealer, I'm using this Naked Skin by Urban Decay. Again, I'm not gonna put so much, just enough to conceal whatever needs to be concealed. And now I'm just gonna set that with my Laura Mercier Brightening Powder. And then I'm gonna go in with a beauty powder. You can use whatever powder you have and set the foundation in place. So you already know it if you've been watching my makeup tutorials that I'm in love with this Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm not gonna put an eyebrow mascara because I want the color to match my hair, which is black. I'm not gonna make it any more lighter because it's already light. I'm gonna keep it like that. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring and highlighting on my face. And with a smaller brush, you can contour your nose. This is a 224 brush. So we're not gonna put any eyeshadow. So I'm using this contour powder just to define my crease. That's it, really. Very easy. And then for the highlighter, I'm using MAC's Superb. And then I'm just gonna get some with my ring finger and put it here on my lid. Put it here on my lid. And for the eyes, I'm just gonna get my gel liner and smudging it. So this liner has a smudge brush. It's not a brush, it has a smudger. I don't know if that's correct. And then whatever's left there, just put it under your eyes. Just here in the outer corner of your eyes. And then I have this shimmering stick shadow, which I'll put under my eyes. After that, you can curl your lashes and then put a mascara. For me, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna just put my lashes, my fake lashes. And then for the blush, I'm using this Hush Tone by MAC. For the lips, I'm just gonna line it with Oak by MAC. Then I'm gonna put, this one's the NYX Lingerie collection, and this one is in Exotic. And then I'm gonna put this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So there goes your quick and easy glowing skin makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so now my tips for a healthy glowing skin. Number 1, skincare. So have a good skincare routine. I follow the 10-step Korean skincare routine and it has worked wonders for my skin. If you want me to do a separate video for that, let me know in the comments below and I'll probably will. Second tip is exercise. You know when you're running or when you're playing a sports and then afterwards when you look in the mirror and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm super glowing. Because me and my sister, whenever we played sports before and then we look at the mirror and we're like, oh my gosh, we're glowing. So what happens is when you work out, there's an increased blood circulation that happens around your face, making it beam with natural glow. Third is eat healthy. Eat the right stuff. We all know that antioxidants is good for our bodies, it's good for our skin, and you can get the most antioxidants in fruits and vegetables. And lessen the consumption of sugar and salt. They're bad for your body. We all know that. We all know that. And then next one is drink a lot of water. Water, like fruits and vegetables, is really good for your body. Remember how exercise oxygenates our body? So water is oxygen. All you need to do is drink that oxygen in. You get a glowing skin. And last but definitely not the least is have a happy heart. How do you do that? When you wake up in the morning, thank God for everything that you have. Be thankful for the good things that you have going on right now and shut down any negativity. All you need to do is focus on the positive things in your life and focus on the people that matters and focus on the people that loves you. In that way, you're training your mind and your heart to be thankful and to be positive all the time. And at the end of the day, we want to glow from the inside out, because that's what matters. So those are my tips for a natural, healthy, glowing skin. Now let's hear from the other Morena beauties.
Protect the skin from the sun, so sunblock whenever it's necessary. I don't usually get to put it because I try to do it natural, so I come early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Drink lots of water. That's it. You have to always remember you have skin to take care of.
I do like to moisturize a lot, especially I have dry skin. So the trick is I usually put mask after a flight, and before I sleep I have this night mask that I put on, and before I leave the house I make sure I have sunscreen on.
Well, to keep my skin healthy, I always make it a point to remove my makeup before sleeping and wash my face after. I always moisturize and always drink lots of water.
Be proud to be Morena and be comfortable in your own skin. As long as you're confident with who you are, that's already one step to being beautiful.
Embrace your color, love your skin, and smile like Nina.
Bye for now. Keep smiling.